Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present about my final year project, which is the title is the development of IoT application for smart home system using private server. Okay, the key people in this project first is me, Nur Adila Nazirah binti Muhammad Azhar, and my matrix number is TB12020, and the right picture is my supervisor, which is Encik Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad Syari. Okay, next is the topic in this project, which I will discuss about the project background, problem statement, objectives, scope and limitation, block diagram, circuit design, material and method, cost-benefit analysis, flowchart analysis, project demonstration and videos, and also conclusion. Okay, firstly, project background on this project. Okay, project background are a smart home refers to a convenient home setup where appliances and devices can be automatically controlled remotely from anywhere with an internet connection using a mobile or other networked device. Secondly, the use for this project can detect movement and automatically switch on or off the electricity, which can prevent unnecessary energy waste from when people forget to turn off the lights before leaving a house. Okay, this is problem statement. Okay, for this project, there are three problem statements. First is people with disabilities face the problem. Okay, people might find it a problem as they need to move around to switch on or off their home appliances such as air conditioner and also lighting. Secondly, waste time. If the appliances is on in the user's house while they are on their way to work or maybe they already at the office, it might take some time to come back home just to switch it off. It is frustrating and nicer if their workplace is far from home. Thirdly, electricity wastage. People is too busy with their daily life, working from morning and back at home at night. Sometimes they forget to check whether the appliances in their home is switched off or not as they leave the home. Okay, next is the objectives. There are three objectives. Firstly, to design a smart home system using microcontroller, which is ESP32 and also Blink apps. Secondly, to evaluate the smart home system developed is fully functional or not. And the lastly is to implement the design of the model with some server connection, which is using Blink apps. Okay, next is scope limitation for this project. Firstly, I will build a software application which is Blink app to connect the component on this project. Secondly, I also use hardware which are ESP32, relay module and also passive infrared sensor to make the system. The system can be implemented in homes, small offices and malls as well, being in charge of control of the electrical appliances for remote access of appliances in internet or internet. The lastly is the appliances in the above mentioned environment can be controlled in intra-network or can be accessed via internet. Okay, next is the block diagram. Firstly, input is not MCU ESP, that is controller, microcontroller ESP32. Processor, I will use the relay module and also passive infrared sensor, and the output is Blink apps. Okay, next is the hardware on this project. Firstly is the ESP32. The ESP32 is a microcontroller module that provides a Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth connectivity. Second is power saving capabilities and also low cost with low power consumption. Okay, next is relay for channel. Relay for channel is switched up to circuit using digital signals from a microcontroller. Second is a convenient board which can be used to control high voltage, high current loads such as motor, solenoid, valves, lamps, and AC loads. Okay, for the passive infrared sensor, it is a device that detects change in infrared radiation emitted by objects within its field of view. It is designed to detect human or animal movement by sensing change in the infrared energy emitted by objects in its detection area. Okay, next is the software for this project. Firstly is Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE are a good low-cost scientific instruments to prove chemistry and physics principles or to get started with programming and robotics, and it will be use free. Okay, for the Proteus, A proprietary software tool should used primarily for electronic design automation and electronic design engineers and technicians to create schematics and electronic prints for manufacturing printed circuit boards. Okay, lastly is Blink. Blink is an IoT platform for iOS or Android smartphones that is used to control Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Node MCU via the internet. This application is used to create a graphical interface or human machine interface HMI by compiling and providing the appropriate address on the available widgets. Blink was designed for the Internet of Things. It can control hardware remotely, and it can display sensor data, store data, visualize it, and do many other cool things on the system. Okay, first, next is cost benefit analysis for this project. The component that I use is microcontroller ESP32, relay fortunate, and also basic infrared sensor. Okay, for the specification ESP32, there are high performance 32-bit RISC-V CPU that up to 160 MHz and low power 32-bit RISC-V CPU that up to 20 MHz. For the relay channel, the voltage is 5 volt and the basic infrared sensor, the voltage is another 3.3 to 5 volt and also the data in 1 seconds. Okay, for the price is ESP32 is 29 ringgit 1 unit, radio per channel, 7 ringgit 36 1 unit, and also PIR or the PIR passive infrared sensor, 10 ringgit 1 unit. So the total cost is at the RM 46 ringgit 36. Okay, that is the flowchart. Firstly, I will be discuss about the flowchart smart home system using IoT. Firstly, I will configure the IP address to make sure the connection will be established to the LAN or not. Okay, while the connection is successful, it can be you to enter a password and display the sensor data. And if the connection is no, it will be come back to the configured IP address. Okay, next is the sensor data. Okay, if the data can be take or put it can be want you to give the command receive. If not, you will return to the password command. Okay, next is the Blink flowchart. Okay, for the flowchart Blink application check whether there is internet connection or not. Okay, while if the connection is yes, the Blink application and the system on the component will be fully function. While the system is wrong, you must check the smartphone internet connection. Okay, that are the analysis or the results for this project. Firstly, the results first is um, the system that you can see I connect to the Wi-Fi, and also you can see the system of the Blink, which are I connect to the Wi-Fi system or the personal hotspot. Okay, for the second results, you can see you connect to the connecting to Blink Cloud, and you can see I connecting to the my Wi-Fi system link, and also you can see the system can enter on the blinkcloud.com, which the port is 80 ports. Okay, that is the project demonstration and videos for this project. Okay, the left is the picture that I will use the relay for channel, the ESP32, and also the basic infrared sensor. Okay, the right is the video. First result. Okay, you can see the command on the Arduino IDE, the Blink commands, the my SSID and my password, and also the Blink command that is to transfer on the cloud on the Blink. Okay, for the first result, the command or the coding on the Arduino IDE is long term. Okay, next I will be click on the serial monitor to check the connection are fully function or available or not to my personal hotspot. Okay, you can see I um, put the connecting my Wi-Fi, and also you can see the billing system. You can see here, and you can see the system it will be ready pin to another 64 milliseconds to the cloud links. Okay, for this result, you can see I put the PIR pin, which is pin 5, and the PIR relay is the pin 2. My SSID, my password, my token links. Okay, for the second result, it is the Arduino IDE coding is short because I put the pin of the component, or also my token link, SSID, and my password for my Wi-Fi. Okay, next I click the serial monitor to check the result. Okay, you can see the system will be connecting to buildingcloud.com, and the number of the in the left is will be different because I make the condition in high. When I make condition in low, the number will be decreases. The component is the same. I will be use the default channel, the basic infrared sensor, and also the ESP32 MCU. Okay, next is conclusion. Conclusion in this project is the project is to develop a smart home system that integrates with Arduino IDE and Blink applications to send notifications, enabling users to conveniently control their electrical devices remotely and receive real-time updates on their status. This can enhance convenience, accessibility, and also monitoring capabilities in home or office automation systems. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for giving above and beyond. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and bye bye.